As a die-hard One Piece fan, I believe we've all dreamed of having a truly special Luffy Gear 5 figure. And what could be better than bringing your favorite character to life with your own hands? Today, I invite you to follow along with the entire meticulous process of bringing Luffy Gear 5 from the manga pages into the real world. First up, to ensure everything goes smoothly, let's get this resin print all cleaned up and prepped. Next, a smooth coat of primer will provide the best foundation to make Gear 5's colors look even more vibrant and authentic. With the prep work out of the way, it's time to start the transformation with the first coats of paint. Let's get to it. This next part can be a little tedious, but it's crucial for ensuring we get sharp contrast and clean color separation. Masking. Once all the areas are safely masked off, it's time for the most decisive stage, detailing and effects. By applying shading and highlights, adding surface texture, and creating scratches, we'll build up depth and realism, giving this Gear 5 model the highest quality finish. final touch to complete the entire piece is the lightning bolt in Gear 5's hand. Let's make it pop. And now, after all those hours of meticulous work, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's admire the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.